Hello, my name is Christina. I am a super senior. I am in Boone this semester, and I'm from Waxhaw, North Carolina, which is south of Charlotte. I'm involved in the Quidditch team here, and I also work for the student unions. That's some fun stuff. I am a double major. I'm majoring in film studies, which is in the English department, and electronic media broadcasting with a concentration in production because I love film and I want to make films for people because I love making films and seeing films, and it's just such a cool experience. The most important part of internet communication is getting to be able to talk to people that I never thought I would before. Being on the Quidditch team is really cool because you get to play schools all across the country, and our team is currently really good friends with a college team in Iowa, which is something I never thought I would be able to do. And we had a foreign exchange student come to the team last year, no, 2 years ago, from Germany, and we're still in contact with him, so that's actually a really cool thing. For this semester, I'm most excited about learning about different forms of communication, in terms of what's going on in the world, how monopolies form, stuff like that. I don't know what I'm really nervous about for the semester other than how things are gonna go with the coronavirus, but yeah, that's pretty much it.